What's good, Nice Kicks fam? It's your boy Ray Polanco Jr. Now today, we'll be unboxing the new sneaker the entire internet is going crazy over, the Nike Air Max 270. Now you're looking at the very first Air Max that was designed with the intent of cozy lifestyle wear rather than performance. So that means we don't want you on Instagram flexing with your Nike Plus app talking about you ran 5 miles. Get you some Zoom flies for that, fam. Let's kick things off with the most intriguing part of this shoe. That bubble though. You're looking at the tallest airbag in Air Max history, coming in at 32 millimeters high. And if you notice, the heel cup has a similar aesthetic to the airbag to give it that more exaggerated feel. And you know what that means, fellas? That if you're 5'11", you can finally tell ladies you're 6 feet tall. Getting into the uppers, you won't be able to see the dynamics with this black and hot punch look. However, it's a dual layered mesh, which looks great once Nike starts playing with different colorways. Those 3 colorways were fresh, right? I might need that yellow and black pair. Anyways, on top of giving us the tallest airbag, the Air Max 270 features a really cushy insole. I'm not gonna lie, fresh off the box, these are more comfortable than the Vapor Max. I'll explain why. It has to do with the cushioning setup. The 270-degree airbag on the heel springs you into every step, while the dual density foam in the forefoot eases you through your stride. These require no break-in time, so at a retail price of $150, I could see this being a good everyday shoe to kick it in. Although the Air Max 270 is the first lifestyle-intended Air Max, its DNA from previous models is still evident. Specifically, this design was inspired by the Nike Air 180 and the Air Max 93. Influence of the 180 can be seen with the Air sole to outsole with no interruptions. The Air Max 93's influence is evident in the extra visible airbag and collar. Additionally, the original name of the Air Max 93 was the 270 during its sample stages at Nike. Before I get out of here, let's get to the most important information. The Air Max 270 launches February 1st on Nike Sneakers app for $150. Throughout Air Max Day on March 26th, more colorways will release with OG Air Max inspiration. That's my time. It's your boy Ray Polanco Jr. Don't forget to like this video, comment your thoughts down below, and definitely subscribe. We'll catch you next time. It's Nice Kicks TV. Peace.